Setting the standard for closed-cell performance, our Lite sleeping pad is an award-winning favorite for everyone, from thru hikers to weekend warriors. Whether using it solo or paired with another sleeping pad, the Lite provides the essential comfort you need in the backcountry. The 3/4 inch or 2 centimeter thick pad uses dual density foam, a durable foam on the yellow or blue bottom, and a softer, more comfortable silver side for plush support. Using the pad silver side up makes the pad warmer, comfier, and more durable during your adventures. The closed-cell pad weighs a mere 14 ounces or 410 grams, making it an easy choice for ultralight ounce counters or anyone who needs durable, lightweight gear. The unique shape of the Lite protects campers from the cold, hard ground with the original peak and valley design, trapping heat and keeping the cold at bay. Pairing this shape with our proprietary Therm-a-Capture finish, which reflects heat back to your body, gives the pad a 2.0 R value, making it perfect for mild weather adventures. All Therm-a-Rest pads have been tested according to the ASTM R value standard. As the original folding pad, the Lite sets up instantly at camp or quickly folds up to carry on the outside of a pack. The Lite also makes a great protective layer for air and self-inflating pads while adding extra warmth to any sleep system. Like all Therm-a-Rest pads, it's made in market, ensuring quality while reducing the environmental cost of global manufacturing. Light and durable, the Lite provides the essential comfort and warmth that helps backpackers and campers rest better.
I'm Ken with Klymit, and this is the Static V2. And behind me is our old friend Alpha Dad and his family. Alpha Dad is the foremost authority on outdoor adventures, camping and camping gear. That is to say, he was the authority until his little brother Alpha Bro showed up. You see, Alpha Dad uses Klymit's Static V sleeping pad, which is an exceptional choice that offers unparalleled comfort and portability by using V-chamber technology. However, Alpha Bro prefers to use the Static V2. The Static V2 uses a lighter weight fabric on top while still retaining an ultra-durable underside.
Hey, you can't run through the camp, boys. You can only ran when you go past tents. Get it?
Yeah, we get it. All right, calm down. You're too tense with your two tenses.
Wow, Uncle Bro, you're really funny.
Well, funny was not my intent.
Wow, they can really dish out the pun, Ishmit. The Static V2 allows Alpha Bro to shed a little extra weight and size without sacrificing comfort or durability.
Hi, my name is Haley from Klymit, and I have a question for you. Do you sometimes camp in cold weather, but always count ounces? Well, then we have the pad for you. Ta-da! Introducing the Insulated Static V-Lite. With the Insulated Static V-Lite, you never have to trade ounces for comfort. The Insulated Static V-Lite is the lightweight, warmer version of our best-selling pad. This pad uses lofted synthetic insulation and deep-welded patterning for unparalleled comfort. Deep welds create expansion zones that allow your back to fully loft beneath you for improved thermal comfort in any season. This pad is perfect for those who like to move fast and camp in the winter, or spring, summer, fall, warm winter, cold summer, spring, fall? So if you want a lightweight pad, whatever the weather, then the Insulated Static V-Lite is for you.
Hi, I'm Pete from Big Agnes, and today I'm here to tell you all about our Q-Core SLX pads. Completely redesigned from the inside out, the Q-Core SLX ups the ante on quilted comfort in the backcountry, while still maintaining a super light and compact design for superior performance and packability for any adventure. All Big Agnes pads feature a proven R value. What's an R value, you might be asking? It's a rating that shows the insulating properties of a sleeping pad. The higher the number, the warmer the pad. Third-party R value rated at 3.2, the Q-Core SLX is a lighter, tougher, 3-season pad for your spring, summer, and fall adventures. Our pads are constructed using durable, super light double ripstop nylon and quieter materials than other pads in the market. Hear that? Now with Primaloft silver insulation working as a heat-reflective barrier that traps heat and reflects it back, you stay comfortable as the temperature drops. These pads are constructed using offset minimalist I-beams, creating multi-directional support and stability. The quilted top provides a cushioned, pillowy sleeping surface, and the larger outer tubes keep you cradled in the middle, as comfortable as your bed at home. Sleeping on frozen ground? Increase thermal insulation by adding the Big Agnes 3rd degree foam pad. The highly efficient valve has an inflation piece with a micro air pressure adjustment button, which controls the airflow by letting a lot in and not allowing it back out, unless you want it to. Save your breath for the miles ahead and use the included upcycled pad inflation sack to inflate. All of our air pads are individually inflated and tested at our factory, ensuring 100% quality performance. All of our air pads also include protective storage sack, replacement valve seal, and 3M repair patches.
Lighter, tougher, and more packable. When it comes to ultralight 3-season comfort, this pad stands alone.
This is the KAMUI Self-Inflating Sleeping Pad. It's great for traveling, camping, boating, and anywhere else you need a comfortable night's sleep. This pad only weighs 3.5 pounds and is 2 inches thick. It also adds warmth by insulating you from the cold ground or floor. Multiple air pads can be connected together horizontally or vertically. Horizontally for larger sleeping space, or vertically for extra support and comfort. When you initially get your sleeping pad, open the valve and wait for self-inflation. Note, it may not fully inflate the first time. Overinflate the air pad by blowing air into the valve, then close the valve. Let it sit overnight. To use your mat, simply unfold the mat and fully open the valve. The pad will self-inflate in a few minutes. For firm support, blow a little air into the valve and then quickly close the valve. To pack your sleeping pad, fully open the valve. Start rolling the pad from the opposite end towards the valve. Force the air to escape through the valve while applying pressure to the rolled pad. Close the valve, secure the rolled pad with the straps, and place into the sack. It is recommended to store the sleeping pad unrolled in a dry place with the valve open. Also, position the valve facing up so that moisture inside the air pad can escape. Ideally, you can store your pad by leaning it up against a wall or behind a bed. If the unrolled configuration is taking up too much space, you can roll it and store it, but it is recommended that you do the initial restoration process before you use it again. This pad is heavy-duty construction, provides long-term durability and stability, and includes 3 compression bands and a storage sack. At KAMUI, we are dedicated to providing family-friendly outdoor equipment with the finest designs, the highest quality, and perfect solutions for our outdoor community.